Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our title is Library Management System. This is our abstract. The Library Management System is an application for assisting a librarian in managing a book library in a university. The system would provide basic set of features to add or update members, add or update books, and manage check-in specification for the system based on the client statements of needs. Library management system is the typical management information system. Its development include the establishment and maintenance of in database and front-end application development aspects. For the formers require the establishment of data consistency and integrity of the strong data security and good libraries. As for the latter requires the application fully functional and easy to use. The library management system is library management software for monitoring and controlling the transaction in library. Library management system is developed in Java, which mainly focused on basic operations in the library like adding new books and updating a new information, searching books and members and written books. This is our system architecture. Here we introduce the users. Users means librarian. Here the librarian have a four type of work. First one is manage member record and manage book records and search member detail and search book detail. Okay, and first of all we manage member records, and manage member records have three types of work: add member detail and remove member detail and update members detail. Okay, and manage member book records have three types of work: add book details and remove book detail and update book detail. And search member detail like three will also have a three type of work. It should the next one is search member detail. Okay, and search member detail will have to search by ID or name or email ID. Via this the detail we can search the member detail. And another one is search book detail. Here we have to search using by ID or by name or ISBN number. Via this detail only we have to search the book detail. Okay, and maintain member records and manage book records. These two types of work have to update the database, and other to search detail how to use retrieve the detail from the database. Okay, this is a full concept of our project. Now we start a demo of our process. We should start our process before we should start your RAM server. Okay. Yeah, this is our home page, and click this button, and this is a login page. Type username and password. Login successfully. This is the process tab. First one is book records and member record, search detail, borrow book detail and reserve detail. Okay, and first one is book record detail, add book detail. Here we can add the book details. Okay, this is the detail of the book and insert the information into database. Okay, and book details are stored successfully. Next one is edit book detail. Yeah, here we enter the book ID. Okay, and search the book detail. This is a valid book ID. Okay, and this is our search book. Okay, and here we can edit the book details like edition number 6 and number of pages and now we edit the book detail. Yeah, update successfully. Here we can update the book details, and remove book detail means here we can write a book ID. Okay, and this is a book ID. Here we can remove the book. Yeah, this book detail is deleted. Okay, okay. Now view all the book detail. Here we can have two books only before removing from this detail. So we have two books only. And another one is member information. Here we can add the member detail. Yeah, this is a member information. Here we can insert the information and then we can edit the information of insert user detail. Here we can enter, here we should enter the member ID and show the detail. This is the member detail. Like here we can edit the detail, here we can edit any of the detail. Like here we only edit, and here we can edit the detail and update detail successfully. Then here we can remove member detail means visible the detail. Yeah, this is a member detail. Okay, here we have three members. Okay, one is Ram, another one is Arun, third one is Raj. Here we can remove the Raj detail and remove that member detail. Now we can remove the detail means here we have two members only. Next one is search detail. Here we can search member detail and search for book detail. Okay, first we search for member detail. Here we can select any one of member detail, like name means here we enter the keyword Ram and search the detail. Here we can display, here we can view the detail of Ram. And another member detail is like email ID means email ID runa@gmail.com is a keyword and search the detail. Here we can view the details of our own. Okay, and next one is search for book. Here we can select any detail of a book detail, and now we select the book title, and here we enter book detail, book title, like mm, search the detail. Java basic Java book detail is displayed here, and another one is ISBN number. Here we enter the keyword like ISBN number. Yeah, this is a keyword. Search the detail. Here we display the mass book detail. Okay, and next one is borrow book detail. Here we can enter the book detail and borrow the book. Borrow book means any one of the member like borrow from the book from the library. Here we can fill the detail of book ID and member ID, current date and return date. Okay. Now we can borrow the book detail from the library, borrow the book, and return book detail means we can return the book detail. Book means here we enter the book date, book ID and member ID. If fine amount, and if erased, and return book detail means if the book was written successfully, and issue book detail means this is the issue book detail, and the reserve detail means if you need to reserve the book because the book is most demanded for our library means here we can reserve the book detail. If you want to reserve the book detail means should fill in that form, like click to reserve book means the book was reserved successfully. View reserved books already. Which book details are reserved from this library means here click to view that result. Okay, this is our process.